Welcome back to my sticker, Sand Art channel. Today, we are coloring a cute little turtle with bright, colorful sand. Let's have fun together and enjoy this happy sand art moment.
Here we go. La la la, la la la. Painting time, nice and slow. Green and blue and yellow too. Red and pink, hello to you. Little turtle, sweet and kind. Let's paint joy, let's have some fun. Rainbow colors dance around. Happy colors all we found. La la la, da da da. Smile and sing, tra la la. Tiny hands are painting slow. Watch the colors gently glow. Little turtle swims and plays. Happy art for happy days. La la la, la la la. Our painting's done. Hooray, hooray. La la la, la la la. Great job, kids. Have a lovely day.